So hey guys, today we are back very early morning. Oh sorry, early evening, and it's almost way too evening actually. And we are comes again for a shooting, for a music video shooting. And guys, today we are in very different location. You can see very different location. We especially I never come there before. He come once time. And let me show everybody he's you. And guys, this is me also.
There's everybody you see.
Yeah.
Handsome boy.
Yeah, of course, like me.
Not me.
Okay.
That guy.
Okay, that guy.
No.
Everybody shows.
That guy.
Okay, so whatever we are going, like we are wearing monkey cap. I don't know what's called. And today is almost 5 a.m. 5 p.m. and the temperature is almost 12 degree around 5 p.m. So
Not 12.
yeah,
Maybe,
it's like
50,
it feels
50, 60.
it feels like a 9 actually. My hand is just vibrating, and now we have to cross this wall to get outside. So
It's very big.
can we go there like by road?
Okay.
Is it too far?
Not. As you can see.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah. It's big. You tell everyone
Yeah.
what you're doing, and I'm coming back in a few minutes.
Okay, what? Okay, so he's coming. He have to do his this one. So he's just coming, and let me talk. We are uploading a lot of videos nowadays, but can't seeing that much response from you. So you can see there a lot of workers are making blocks, cement blocks. It's actually cement blocks, you can see there. All right, so where to go? Where's the destination? Okay, right. So we are keep walking and going. Actually, the weather is too cold. You can't believe that the weather is too much cold for me actually. Okay, even my mouth is, even I can't speak easily. And some random guys are playing soccer there. They are playing football. Like, let me show you. Okay, the guys are playing football there. And guys, we are found the road. Actually, I can't speak that much for the cold weather. My hands are just about to freeze, and my voice also. Sorry, my this I forget the body part name. Whatever. So I see. I noticed that you guys are almost 15 to 20%. Like our videos getting 15 to 20 views, but nobody showing us that much support. Like nobody showing us likes and comments. So we are about to go. Our home is just more than 2 kilometers or half a miles, whatever. I keep walking, And guys, the weather is so cold. Everybody knows, but the scenario of rural side, not actually it's rural side, it's actually village side. That's amazing, mind blowing. And the main thing is, guys, when you come outside in cold weather, you guys are really enjoyed. If you have any partner, then the enjoyment multiply doubles. So currently I am walking with a asshole. There is a big asshole there, and you can see there are some cows are eating grass. And guys, you can feel I'm not speaking easily.
Hey, salt.
So he just finished his work. Okay, so
Yeah.
He will-
Now I'll go in gym to just do bicep.
today is rest day, man.
Yeah, rest day, but I am taking rest very long. It's
Yeah.
been 2 months, maybe. But now I'll don't take any rest. So you know, go in gym today, right now.
No,
No.
Uh,
Eh,
I have
okay. Then do you wanna go in Chadakhara?
what? No, no, no.
Samazbat? Huh?
I don't have that much time to go give someone.
Nah,
Like-
Sandalwood is ready.
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay.
If the situation is
If-
normal, then I should go.
Yeah.
But
Diftobai-
after 2 and 3 days,
Difto-
my
Diftobai
exam,
is-
so
Dif-
that's why.
Diftobai
I can't.
said, Diftobai and Shurunjabai said, let me get just what? If I got Farah just one time,
Yeah.
then you will understand what he's doing. And they told me to
No,
told
no,
you
no.
that you so you leave the group.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that
Said-
true? Is that
yeah,
true?
Yeah.
Okay.
They said to leave the group.
No. So we are keep walking, and unfortunately, for some reason, we just
See, the,
and
see, there is a football match.
some random guys are playing football there. You can see as well. So they are playing minibar football. In this format, the goal post
It's very small.
becomes too small, and
Don't become. It's very small.
the goalkeeper can catch
Oh,
the ball by his hand. Here, everybody should. And the special thing of this game, of this format, is if you got penalty, then you have to kick without a goalkeeper, and you have to kick from the middle of the field. Yeah, so that's the minibar football. And this side, guys are okay. I shouldn't talk about that. So now we are going back to our home, and it's about to 6 p.m. So yeah, that's it today. Today we are ending our video, and if you want, then you can give your support. So
Yeah. What? What are you talking about?
you wanna say something? Okay. So let's goodbye to all. See you in another video.
Okay.
We are
Yes. Take a tea break.
in Bazaar. Tribik.
Oi.
From where? Quality is good.
What do you think?
What do you think?
That's good.
What do you think? We are going. Let's go.
Peji? 10 টাকা দিয়ে দিও।
So we are in a local hotel, and we are gonna test something. This one, so called piazi.
It's a onion.
Not actually onion cut. If you cut this side,
Oh, this is not onion. Yeah.
then if you cut this side, then you never found any
Yo,
onion.
this is actually dal. What is called dal?
Lentil,
It might be. Okay, wait.
whatever is the type of fry, and we are gonna try it. What do you think?
Ito yung mga kita. Yo, let's try this. It's very hot.
Okay, how's that?
Yeah.
Let me also try.
Tasty.
Not that much hot. Yeah, kind of good. You hold. How much are you gonna rate it?
7 out of 10.
That's quite good. I also rated 7.5. But not sure how the healthy it is.
Yeah.
You got it? You can see the
My fat was on both color my fat.
and you are going to the gym.
Hold. Yo guys,
So today we
our
are
room is very far away, so we thought if we want to go faster, so we have to run. Okay?
okay. So should
Okay.
we go? Should we start run? Wait.
Just
You hold camera. You hold camera. I don't have stabilization that much.
Just don't run very fast, so you will get tired. Okay?
Run as you
Once I did leg, my leg is very paining.
We are
Okay.
enjoying the winter.
We are doing running in the evening.
Let's go.
Okay, no problem.
It's starting to go. Come on. Come on, quicker.
No quicker. If I run quick,
Everybody is
looking at
watching
us.
on us.
Yeah. Watching on us? What the fuck?
But we should don't give a fuck to them. Let's go.
Yeah, but he's just changing his lane without any signal. Okay.
Let's go.
Woo.
Let's fucking go. And we almost there.
Hey, why you are changing your lane without any signal?
Nobody.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh.
We walk or run?
Yeah. One now. Too sore.
We are almost.
Yeah. So if we just walk now, that's not a problem.
We almost crossed a big destination.
Yeah.
Fucking
Now I'm sweating.
You're sweating?
Yeah.
So do you know what is called wet? W-E-T.
Yet?
W-E-T.
Yeah.
Waiting. What is
Yeah.
waiting?
Waiting. It's not waiting. It's wet.
Wait.
Wet means visa.
Similar like waiting.
And sweating is
Your
Gami's
body.
over.
Yeah.
yeah. Now you understand.
Waiting means got it. So everybody.
Yeah, did you remember we have played cricket on here
Yeah.
very time ago? Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost 10 years.
And
It's been 10 years done. And some random guys are robot
and
shooting.
and our thief
Tap our ball.
Yeah, and so many times our balls got stuck on the top, and also there. Yeah, this is now current situation of this ground. It's not ground, but still, we have played so many time cricket on here.
Yeah. And some random guys are
Stall.
stole our balls. Not
So many-
our balls, our cricket balls.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
yeah, our cricket balls.
not
And-
actually cricket balls, it's a tennis ball.
Yeah, tennis ball. Yo,
A few years ago, Canite was 25 taka and now it's 50 taka.
no, Canada was 30 taka.
No, before 30 it's 25
Oh,
and now it's 50.
50, 50.
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. Just a 30 taka ball is now right now. It's 50. Can you imagine? And once upon a time, the ball was just 20.
And the main thing is the dog balls are
Push. What does this mean?
chup shikese.
Oh, your ball. Dog ball. Why you are looking at the dog ball?
No, you misunderstand.
Okay.
So here
It's
we
coming
go
to end, guys.
today.
Yeah.
Bye.
This is for today. Okay, bye.
See you in another video. Bye.
Yeah. प्रथम की लग रहा है काम करे ना बेटा